What are you excited about when it comes to CLL research?
It's hard not to be excited, honestly. Well, 5 years ago, roughly, we were largely using chemotherapy. And while patients could do very well, not all of them did. And in such a short period of time, everything has been turned on its head. We have better treatments. They're safer. Patients are doing better. They're living longer. There's more novel treatments being studied now. And, we start to wonder if with some of the newer treatments, if maybe we actually can cure this disease. Maybe if the majority of them, they might be able to live a normal lifespan. So we're incredibly optimistic. So that's obviously, those are very general statements, but they really are, they come from just the impressive outcomes that we've seen from patients being able to be at home, take their treatment, go into deeper remissions and do better over the long term. So yeah, there's a lot to be excited about. And that's why my answer is just kind of general. There's a lot to focus on, from the different novel agents to MRD guided therapy to some of the CAR T products that are coming out. I really think it'll continue to change at a pretty rapid pace.
That sounds very promising.
Yeah.
When it comes to new developments in research, how can patients discuss this type of information with their doctor to find out if there's a new approach or a clinical trial that might be right for them?
Well, I honestly think they should feel empowered to simply ask. I know a lot of my patients will want to know anything new. It can be something they can ask as generally as that. They know that we have these major meetings twice a year, and what's new with these treatments, or many of them are on clinical trials and want to know, do we have any results yet? What's been changing? And sometimes, at the end of every visit, we'll spend 5 minutes just talking about the new developments or what's coming down the pike or how practice is changing. So I'm just sort of in the routine of having this conversation with most of the patients on a recurring basis. And honestly, they feel well served, like we're keeping them up to date. I think patients enjoy that sort of conversation. So I wouldn't feel shy about simply asking.